Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Doogee is planning to launch a successor to Doogee T20 tablet called Doogee T30 Pro. Doogee launched their entry tablet last year, called Doogee T10, and launched T20 in less than 2 months after. According to the picture of the tab on AliExpress, it will come in gray, teal and green color options. In terms of specifications, Doogee T30 Pro is expected to come with 11-inch IPS LCD display, with 2K resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Doogee T30 Pro will have 2 camera modules. The main camera is a 20-megapixel standard lens. The second camera is unknown at the moment. It will have an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Doogee T30 Pro will launch with 8GB of RAM, plus additional 7GB virtual RAM and a 256GB of storage that is expandable with SD card. The tab will be 7.3mm thick, and it will come with an 8,300 mAh battery and will cost around $350 according to their AliExpress page. What do you think about this tab? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.